Welcome to S.K.EDU-TRACK. Today we discuss about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda has different personality, not only India as well as the world. Let's know regarding some interesting fact about Vivekananda. Vivekananda was born on January 12, 1863 in a family of Bengal. The interesting fact in this was that he was born at 6:33 minutes and 33 seconds exactly. His original name was Narendranath Datta. His father was Vishwanath Datta, was an attorney at Kolkata High Court. He was to be named Darghaus, but since his mother has a dream, the child's nickname was Viriso. He was known as one of the best waiter of India. His speech in Chicago is famous till today. The funny part of his English grammar skill were very poor in his graduation day, and he scores around 50% only back then. This man later went to deliver one of the best speeches in English in USA. His mother was the person informing and mauling his character. As a child, Vivekananda was a moody and angry person. His mother used to pour a cold water over him and chant Om Namah Shivaya, which helped him calm down. After his father passed away, his family entered the phase of extreme poverty. He used to lie to his family members of being invited to other places so as to avoid being a burden at home. Swami Vivekananda lost his faith in God as he was unemployed even after completing his bachelor's of BA. He once said God does not exist. Swami Vivekananda's sister Jogan committed suicide and saved his life, which broke him emotionally. His monk was Swami Vivekananda, but once moved at Chicago, the name was changed to Swami Vivekananda. You know, very interesting fact. We are communicating with you. Next, Swami Vivekananda monastery was closed to man, not even his disciple. Mothers could visit his Mansuray. He became angry at the sight of his rules being broken if they were. Swami Vivekananda predicted that he would not live beyond an age of 40, and it came true. He went for his heavenly abode at the age of 40. Vivekananda is an example of people living their lives short but to the fullest. His energetic enthusiasm and vision are the benchmark of the youth around the world. The way he saw things was way ahead of his time, and that brought him fame and name. His philosophy approach towards Hinduism took the religion across the border of India and made it known around the world. It needs to be credited with the flow and existence of Hinduism outside India and especially in the West. He was a man of born in the 19th century but was country's head of his time.